gentlemen, karon Ma'am Fatima, ikay una ma'am, ipakaon ni Sir Ray imong pinakalami nga gugma para kaniya ma'am. Sige si ma'am sa sir ha. Sige ma'am, imong labi nga gugma ipakaon ni Sir Ray. And 1, 2, 3, go! Ceremony in 1, 2, 3, and slice! Perfect! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The cake was perfectly sliced. Awesome. And remember, in 1, 2, 3, let's go. Ma'am Norma, yung sa tong couple, ma'am? Si Sir Ray. Alright. Ma'am, unsay full birthday ni Sir Ray?
May 22, 1995. 1995.
Sakto, sir? Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Mr. and Mrs. Layesi. And 1, 2, 3, and cast! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sir, 5. Sir, 1, 2, 3, go. Kalami. Dili, sir. Dili naman ako dapat mga nakas... Uy, kalami. Go. Kalami. Sige, sir. Di ka popson. Sige, sir. Sige, Ma'am Fatima. Ikaw na si Kaon sa tapin. My honor and privilege to introduce to you once again our beautiful, impeccable, wonderful newlywed couple this evening, Mr. and Mrs. Layesi, and 1, 2, and slice. Perfect. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The cake was perfectly sliced. Awesome. And for that, Ma'am Sir, kindly put the piece of cake onto your plate. Papa na to Ma'am Maria, guys, for her message. Can we have another microphone? Let's go, Ma'am. Your message to our couple. Mo ni Ma'am Fatima. Sige! Ladies and gentlemen, it has been my honor and privilege to introduce to you once again our beautiful, impeccable, wonderful newlywed couple this evening. Marriage requires falling in love many times, always with the same person. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, love is truly in the air, and let's make this the best day to remember. In 1, 2,